Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on language in the region, and as you can see here, we've got the list of currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on edit, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically find yours and tap on this plus icon. So let me pick maybe Dutch, just tap on it, and your device will ask you if you want to set Dutch, of course in my case, as a default system language. So simply tap on yes. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Right now we've got the Dutch language applied to the list. Let me show you how to change it, because if you've got two different languages added here, you do not have to enter the full list. You can change it right here. So we have to reorder the English with the Dutch. Just tap on it and hold it, and right now you can drag it to the first position, and your device will of course ask you if you want to do it. So let me tap on probably yes, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be again in English. Of course, if you want, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and tap on this minus icon next to the language you'd like to remove. We've got only English left, and also right here. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.